And welcome back to the Remarks app. Today I'll be guiding you on how we test different instances in our farm when we want to measure its impact when it comes to milk production and also growth. So assuming we take an instance, say under an experiment, we want to determine if an increase in dairy milk leads to an increase in milk production, and also we want to know the impact when it comes to kgs, increase in kgs of our animal. So the first thing you do, you come here, you select the animal category, we have them here in breeding, then you click history. So you can see we have our animal up to date, updated on 9th of April. So we can record the experiment is starting on 10th, and the animal has 682 kgs and the status healthy. So you save that record for that animal. The next animal that we also want to be under this program is this one. We select the date again, and its kg shall be 660 at the beginning of this experiment. So that is how we first of all record the kgs of these animals before we begin any experiment in our farm in regard with these two animals. So after that, we navigate back to, we go to milk, and you click milk. You click this button here called experiment, and you click new experiment. So this experiment is on a feed trial, and the feed trial is under dairy milk. The start date is 10th, or let us begin from 9. So it is to determine if the increase in dairy milk ratio per animal. So you select the end date. Okay, now on selecting the end date, remember our experiment started from 4th of April. So selecting the end date is determined by the days that you want to measure your impact. If you want in the next 1 week, it will backtrack your milk production in the last 1 week. What I mean is that if we select the end date to be on May 9th, that is 1 month from now. And the experiment shall be now subjected to milk production of the animals that we shall select in the last 30 days. That is from March 9th to April 9th. So we select 1 month from now, and then we select the animals and create that instance. And when you click here view details, you'll see, so we already have milk production on 9th, and the baseline period from 9th backward is 111 liters, and our record on 9th is 64. So the test has already begun, and you can see when it comes to participants, the production or the test of this dairy milk impact has already started reducing, but in the long run we have 29 more days to test. So as our production increases, the test period will increase, and if it surpasses our baseline period and we have a positive total production change, it will mean that our experiment that we have in our farm is fruitful. So it can be something, or it can be a change that can be administered to the rest of the animals so that the farm achieves maximum production. So that is how you use experiment. And also remember, when it comes to, we have it to 8th of May, and at the end of this experiment on 8th May, you'll come back here and to our animals and select the animal. So we have black here. So you'll update the kgs of your animal on 8th and update the kgs that you have measured of that animal. So when you look here, you'll see, assuming this is 8th, assuming this will be 5th of May, you'll see the change in kg from April to May. So that is how you use the experiment to determine change in kgs and change in production of your animal.